So welcome to R&R Network. I'm Roger. Lisa's cooking. We'll take a look. But today we're gonna take a look at what's in our refrigerator at the moment. So we'll be back. So first, before we look at our refrigerator, let's go take a look at what Lisa's doing. Lisa, what are you doing?
I'm washing the spinach.
Like a Japanese spinach or something? Yeah. What are you gonna do with the spinach?
I'm gonna stir fry with the sausage.
Oh, nice. Sausages are good. Do you like sausages?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, well, we'll leave Lisa to her work and let's go take a look at the refrigerator. What we got. Okay, so I guess we'll start with the top. And at the top I keep my rotation of soda. This one's in, there's two cans left. Next we'll have Canada Dry with cherry fruit splash, cherry ginger ale, root beer and cream of soda, or is it cream of soda? Root beer and cream of soda. So I keep a rotation here. Usually there's only 3. But I couldn't help myself when I saw A&W. Had to get the A&W. So let's look at the freezer. So let's open up the freezer. See what we got. Ground turkey. 93% lean. Ground turkey. Ground beef. 93% lean. Skinless, boneless chicken breast. Salmon. Oh no, this is frozen salmon too. So the bottom is basically my protein stuff. The top is Lisa's frozen vegetables, frozen berries, fruits for breakfast, and bread. That's about it. So next, let's take a look at the refrigerator. Okay, after some minor cleaning, not the refrigerator, but up here. But anyways, let's open it up. We'll start at the top shelf. The top shelf is mine. The bottom shelf is Lisa, or the middle shelf is Lisa's, and the bottom bottom shelf is mixed, whatever else can't fit, and the bottom is going to be fruit, fresh fruit. So cottage cheese, I get it at Costco, the big size because I just pound this stuff every day. Turkey ham, my beef jerky running low. I cut up some cucumbers that are fresh from the garden. I like to eat cucumber sticks as snacks throughout the day. Behind there I've got some cooked salmon, some ground beef mixed with a lot of vegetables, and then at the very bottom is my chicken breasts, and that's pretty much what I eat every day in a rotation. So tomorrow will be salmon. On the bottom is Lisa's creation, sausage and potatoes, I think. And then in the back, I think that's sausage. Up here is her beef jerky, which I'm going to steal after this. No, I won't actually steal. The Chinese sausage, really spicy, really oily, but really good. So try to mix it with something that doesn't have a lot of flavor, because that's packed with flavor. And then on the bottom is extra stuff, the dog food we make ourselves with rice, chicken, vegetables, stuff like that. Eggs. Costco size. I love Costco, so I make Lisa go with me and buy stuff that's too big. So Greek yogurt for Lisa. Again, the fresh fruit. Right now we got blueberries, blackberries. I'm into the berries now, and then pineapple, which I'll have to cut soonish. And then in the drawer we have my stash, protein drink, soft drink, barbecue sauce, which we're not using, so I might use up sooner, and then milk, big size. And then, what is that? Spaghetti sauce, marinara. So that's a tour of our refrigerator. And tomorrow will be, like I said, salmon. So, we are out.